Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many recordings available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this session, we'll be showing you our new operation in HSM called Hybrid Constant Z. What a Hybrid Constant Z does, it works both within one operation on the constant Z area, which are the steep areas over here, and it also works well on the shallow areas using the 3D constant step over. Now, let's open up my operation for a moment, and you can see that we have here Hybrid Constant Z. Now, we also have had before combined constant Z with 3D constant step over. But the difference between the two is as follows. In 3D constant step over, you would have to give it its minimum and maximum angle where you wanted the 3D constant step over to work. This is done in a Hybrid Z automatically. We do not have to write that in at all, and it's smart enough to know exactly where to work in constant Z and where to work in 3D constant step over. I'll have my tool as shown over here, my constraint boundaries, and in my passes, we have these two options over here. First of all, our step down for the constant Z, where I can take larger steps, and then for my 3D constant step over, the side step I need for that as well. If I were to run my simulation, you'll see the following. Let's take a look at this at the side, and you can see my constant Z step downs over here as they're going every 3 millimeters. But if I were to look at it now this way and look at the flat floor areas, or even in the areas where it starts curving, you can see where the 3D constant step over kicks in and gives a nice tool finish for that surface as well, without having to decide which are the best angles for this to work. This is done automatically within the option of Hybrid Constant Z. For more recordings on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for the tab of SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.